況玲玲。
耶！玲玲你好啊！
大家好，我係安。
香港土生土長嘅港泰混血女星鄺玲玲，因為 GL 泰劇同拍檔昂喺全球爆紅。喺今年30歲正嘅生日，玲玲選擇同拍檔嚟到香港開粉絲見面會，孖住同樣都係5月壽星嘅昂一齊慶生。粉絲除咗喺見面會場內準備大型嘅慶生佈置，亦喺香港鬧市嘅戶外大型 LED 度落祝賀廣告。兩位仲有親自去打卡多謝粉絲，而玲玲亦去咗一個好特別嘅地方祈福啊！
見玲玲好似頭先都去咗黃大仙拜神。
係啊，我去咗黃大仙拜神，因為嗰度其實係我最初我媽咪大肚嘅時候去祈求有一個健康嘅 BB， 咁今次就特登30歲啦，翻嚟就感謝觀音菩薩係咯，一路喺度保護住我。
你今日係生日正日啦，咁其實今日嚟生日正日見到啲香港嘅 fans 咧，有啲咩感受？
佢哋專程幫我安排咗喺香港呢度搞咗場粉絲見面會啦。其實我覺得係一件非常對於我嚟講係非常一件幸運同埋開心嘅事情，係啦，因為可以同我愛惜嘅人一齊度過30歲嘅生日。
So your birthday also in May. So how will you celebrate your birthday?
Oh, actually, I don't really care of the special day much. So
Really?
I don't know. Simple dinner with my family, with my loved ones, that enough.
一班粉絲亦喺見面會度準備生日驚喜送俾玲玲，邀請到玲玲其中一位偶像 Man 姐佘詩曼拍片送祝賀，阿佘仲唱埋泰文生日歌添啊
！Hello， 玲玲，我咧就收到你 fans club 嘅 email， 邀請我錄一個 birthday greeting 俾你。咁我知道咧你好喜歡我嘅，咁我都好中意你㗎。我知道你就係生日啦，咁係應該係今日咯，咁我就送一份禮物俾你啦。俾個 key 嚟。噔，蜀山玩 good， 蜀山玩 good。蜀山玩 good， 蜀山玩 good，Happy birthday！ 嗱，如果你下次去香港咧，你就打俾我，約我一齊去食燒鵝奶。
多謝佘詩曼小姐。
作為玲玲嘅閨蜜，昂點會冇表示呢？阿昂之前一日喺澳門搞活動嘅時候，同粉絲裝飾咗個蛋糕送俾玲玲，仲擠咗個大心，搞到玲玲相當感動啊
Happy birthday to you！Happy
birthday to 玲玲！
I wish you be the love of everyone as always, and you know how much I love you.
為咗回饋粉絲嘅支持，領昂 CP 獻唱快歌之外，玲玲亦都準備咗首廣東話歌。而玲玲同阿昂再度合作嘅愛情劇《經已殺科》，兩人亦都期待可以嚟到香港宣傳，亦透露新劇嘅故事。
It's about I was growing up with her. I am her sister, like little sister. I mean, like in the same school. And then I think I have a crush on her. And one day she had to left for the reason. And then we met again when we are growing up. And then many things happened after that. She is my bodyguard, and I am a singer. And we met a lot of things together through all the drama. So you shouldn't miss it.